Hey guys, and welcome back to another Woodbrew video.
In this week's video, we are finally checking off the sofa bed couch project that has been high on the to-do list. I'm sure you can relate to those kind of projects. So big thanks to Rockler for sponsoring this video, supplying the hardware, and if you're interested in anything that we use in this project, there will be links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started.
We found this really awesome finished plywood locally and couldn't resist but to try it out. To make things a bit easier, we broke down full sheets of plywood with a track saw and then moved up to the table saw to make the final widths. To make sure we didn't cut through the floor, we just added scraps to lift the wood off the ground. We usually have a foam sheet, but not today. Next, we wanted to add some visual interest, so we chamfered the edges facing inwards to the couch. This will also give a nice edge to rest an elbow on. While the pieces weren't assembled just yet, we went ahead and pre-drilled for all of our screws. After final sanding, it was time for assembly. We first are going to put together the sides and the back. Then we will attach the front with screws coming from the outside of the side pieces. Next is attaching the lift system from Rockler. This is going to allow us to lift the couch up and store stuff underneath. Honestly, this is my dream. So with just 3 bolts, we can attach the bottom of the lift to the side piece, and then we will attach the top of the lift to the bottom to another sheet. Before we get to that, we need to add a few stopper pieces to keep the bed from caving inwards. Now we can attach the bottom of the couch to the lift. It makes it a whole lot easier to install by flipping the entire thing on its back. We were originally going to make this a queen size bed but decided not to. The pistons we have are for the weight of a queen bed and are too strong for this twin mattress, so we had to do without them. Make sure you order the right ones for your size mattress if you decide to make a bed like this. Now enjoy us try not to get thrown across the room before we found out about the whole piston problem. To make accessing the storage space easier, we just screwed in a looped piece of nylon for a handle. After flipping the apartment completely upside down, we got the couch in a place that we like, and all that's left is adding some pillows and a side table from one of our previous videos. This storage space is seriously a dream for me. Now we can put all of our most used hiking and camping gear and whatever else really under here and not in a hard to reach bin. The whole piston thing actually worked out and the bed will stay up without them, so that is a major plus. That is going to wrap up this week's video. We hope all of you enjoyed and we will see you in the next one.